Yes, how you guys doing today?
Very good.
Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
A true Jamaican Christmas greeting I extend to you. Just come on over, there is room. There's no winter time, there's just sweet sunshine at Christmas Jamaican style.
Welcome guys to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. Today we're actually going to go on the road with me and mommy. We're going to go to the supermarket. We're going to do Christmas supermarket shopping. I never know if we'll actually do Christmas shopping because we went Thanksgiving shopping and that was supposed to cover for Christmas, but that never worked out. So we're going to BJ's, we're going to the Jamaican store, we're going to Stop and Shop. We're just going all over the place. Plus it's half day school for the kids. It's now 2:11. So we need to get out of here ASAP so we can actually go. Mama, come people, I'm still. Come on. So waiting a moment to come down right now. It's 29 degrees outside today, so it's a little bit chilly and a little bit windy. We're gonna do what we gotta do. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. Alright? So I'll see you at BJ's. Alright guys, so we're in BJ's. The moment over there, sir. Alright, so we're gonna do a couple Christmas shopping thingy. We're working on we're working against time right now. Oh, my bathroom cleaner from my run out.
So cleaner. I want Oxymaster cleaner. But
no man, I don't want to look for man. When I spray on it, it's Clorox. I don't. Where there? Oh, milk in there, milk some mildew, something man. No use it man. Spray one time, just take out everything off. Right? When I see it, when I see it, no. What if over here? Okay, I see some stuff over this side. What's it done? You cool? Sit here. Yeah. This bad. The last time it came with the toilet thingy too. Okay. Okay. This bad. You spray everything down. You have to wash it off. Alright. You have that? That might be a mildew one. You're gonna pack a Febreze. Come on, work with me. Work with me. You don't need that. You'll pack of this. This side of that mama, can you get the one at the back right there? The one with the color them in my back. Reach, careful. Can you reach it? Got it? Yeah, perfect. Thank you very much. Look at this one. Okay. $14.99. No. $15.29. Alright, I think we got everything left over here. So paper. Wait, I'm not sure look funny. What about 500 square feet? Okay.
you sure don't want a longer paper? So,
no, not really, because I only use it mostly for like
okay.
like the rice and something. Them I talk about.
Yes.
Nah.
You know, one of this economical than this.
Nah.
And this is 750 square feet.
I don't know. I don't think I need that big one. No garbage bag. That's cleaning up already. Yeah, keep up, man. I'm alright. Another funny exercise. All right. We got spoons. We got fork. No, man, spoon downstairs. The bowl. Oh, man. We already have a lot of cups. Do you see any of the foam cups them in there? Or am I should I go Dollar Tree? Because they may look expensive. 360 for $14. Dollar Tree it is. Dollar Tree it is. I need hand towel. We pass Bunty? I think the other side give you the different ones. And paper bowls. I need a pack of this. No, we go on the other side. There's no napkin. I need a pack of this. I have a big one, so I'm not gonna need no more. Alright. So by 27. Okay. No wonder. Oh. Should I do a 12 by 27 or should I do a 12 by 37? Some of them can't really hold up on a roll, you know, when you're because it's a thick. Catch packets. Catch packets. No, I say we are pack. Oh. Normally I try to do it. I think we have toilet paper, but I feel like we have like tools. I feel like toilet paper can do. I'm not toilet paper, I'm not even toilet paper. A lot of people in the beaches to them, man. Dog food, I don't know dog, I'm going to do that. Cranberry juice. 100%, them now, mama.
This?
Yeah. Careful. Not the apple juice fan. Out of I love. One pack of the Welch.
That's it.
You good? Alright. Suppose I can reach back by 12 o'clock. We're working against time right now. You good, mommy? Okay. Oh. Ginger ale. Ginger ale and water. Yeah.
Ginger ale.
Whew, that's a workout, buddy. Ginger ale, we passed them. Whew, we're tired. Ginger ale normally. You don't have to come, me just look first. You don't have any. I don't see any ginger ales. No, see no more. We might have to forget you stop and shop. Sit down over there, sir. Let's go around here first. Hot dog bread and a burger bread.
Some people don't listen to one that video thing.
Where? And I have a seed funny. Is it even burger bread if it doesn't have the seed on it?
Oh, you want to eat seeds?
Yes, ma'am. I like the
You
seeds.
want bread?
A seed for like seed. Mr. Tristan did this the other day. You check this. Which means saying like it's a like a Christmas cake thingy. And Mr. Tavana instead of eat the Twinkies. I took a Twinkie. Tristan took the zebra cake the last time. So the brownies that Tavania had the last time. Let's do this one. Here's a small time. One night stand. Keep it in mind, if you see something that you need to let me know, okay? You hear? If you something that's telling me what you need, or if you pick it up, you can't pick it up. These are all the desserts. And that's nothing sexy over there, so. Yeah, macaron? She said yes. And the fries? Sasira open. That look alright? Let's compare to this. I see you can't take front up in here. If you go on a button, no.
I don't know what show me that thing.
I don't look enough. We're not busy, look enough. They have an extra one in that one there. I think that's it for here. Alright, normally Troy does this because he's playing some of our markets. But since you're a market person, can you check the tomatoes for me, please? And I'll take one of the cherry tomato over here, so.
You want them
You can open it and feel it, you know.
No, I can't see. I want them smaller.
Somebody can squeeze up more, man.
No, I know. Just not squeeze up. You want them smaller.
Yeah, you can do a mixture of both sides. Irish potato. Let's get it tomato one. It's a big door. More minute to make it tomato, let me know. I think an egg. Hello? Baby, you don't want to try dragon fruit? You don't know dragon fruit? No try. I don't buy one pack. I $6 for it, or shred them in it. $6 for it. Alright. Mommy, come. Yes, I am.
Hello?
Yes, I am. You want to be included in the vlog?
Yes, how you guys doing today?
Very good.
I'm just a BJ's coordinator.
Okay.
Real quick,
How you
I am a BJ's coordinator here. We're just looking to give back to some homeowners for the holidays. You're a homeowner,
Okay.
correct?
I do, but
Okay.
at this time, unfortunately, I'm hurrying to grab my kids from school because it's half day school.
Oh,
so,
no, okay.
all right.
Appreciate you.
No, but happy holidays.
You
all
too,
right.
miss.
All right, cool. Thank you. Thank you.
Where I can look you up at?
KeneishaSays on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Yeah. Type that up for me, please. No, you don't.
No, that's
You're all
okay.
set, yeah. There you go.
Thank you so much.
No, of course. I respect it.
Appreciate you. Just a small YouTuber, just trying a thing, you know.
Of course. Keep pushing, man.
Appreciate you.
I'll support you. I'm here.
Thank you so much.
That's
There
it right
you
there.
go. Yep.
Definitely. There you go.
Subscribe.
Okay,
Thank you
yes.
so much. I got a new
Merry Christmas,
subscriber,
y'all.
guys. Thank you so much. All right, it's a new subscriber, just like that. Yes, one try. I just tell try about the $6 fees. Good. One try, right? You never eaten it before? We're still rich grip. Mommy, I don't want you to take 1 hour again for the mango them. I can't find one nice mango for just the one now. Sorry. They don't look nice. Go back in the shirt or so. The bananas, I'm wondering. Banana. Not a pack, no. How much is it? $5. Watch your foot. $7.99 for 5. Take one nice box. Make a box. This, they don't look bad, no, man. This one that's your mom. Look on there. Isn't that nice? And that one here. And this. That good green. What kind of mango them though? What kind of mango them? It's a mixture, right?
So let's take one box.
Yeah. Like how this have the leaves. Let's build this box. Look at them too now.
Right.
I feel right? This is not bad.
I like an into breed. No, slightly look at him, alright.
Alright, one more. How about this? No?
Turn.
What is it? Oh, and a purpose. It proves it's soft and nice. Alright, then let's go around here. We're gonna circle. Now I'm gonna work myself. So. Huh? Did I get heavy? Tell me when you can't manage it no more. You want oranges? Put them now, I'm gonna eat tangerine. May I fight in here? She have this dirty habit people about anything. We're not doing that. Them here, we're calling halos. I want them look for spoiling. Them look
spoiled.
Yeah. I think majority of them look. You have to look for them. Oh, apples. My favorite apples are now Honeycrisp apples. These apples mom is sweet and nice. Honeycrisp. Or should I take these ones instead? No, I see them Honeycrisp, but I like different brands. The red, this is what we normally buy. We try Red Delicious, but them are soft and nice. Them sweet. This I see in one, but I want just different brand them here. But I want to have more in it. Hold on, we have to dig to the bottom. Yeah. Got 10 minutes. I like the planting chips too. I'm gonna put them car yet. I don't reach half a supermarket yet. And chicken I look fluxy though. But you still done pan. And chicken breast I look fluxy, don't you? I like our chicken breast that much. No. Them no? No, catch it.
You see them not frozen?
No, they look.
No, I don't like them.
No, I can't even. I said one of them stay when I turn around. See, the front part looks sexy, but when I go on the back, no,
No,
I
they don't
can't.
look bad.
No,
So they're not frozen.
no. They say a fresh chicken or frozen.
So this one.
Me go make chance yeah. Me go stop and shop. Me go like- Oh, them may look better. Them may look better. Young chicken. Oh, young chicken so big. If a young chicken is so big, I would then give this a young chicken yeah. $2.49. Oh man, what in a real life? If that is a young chicken, then it's supposed to be fully grown. Alright, so we got meats over here.
What is this? Almost done.
Got beef.
What is more?
No, beef. December 3rd, 23rd, then extra. But now better be for $33. Sorry. Stew beef with no bun. Where bun there? I need bun on my stew beef. I don't like stew. That's how I try to eat. I can't do that.
Yeah, well, start to get.
Over Carlos, yeah. The pork chop not look so bad. $14. December 23rd next level up. Well, what about this one, mommy? Does that have
Something nice, what that?
does that have bone in it?
No. Yes.
Well, I'm just get bone in
No.
it. They're not without bone in it. Yes,
Yes.
I have bone. If I have bone that I'm not sure about it. Time is going, time is going. Beef smoke. Sausage. Mom, I just catch them in there do your thing here. I just catch them in there do your thing. Come I have to hurry up now. How much of a eh?
It's a front part.
I have bacon at home and I think I have one next 2-pack downstairs. Huh? No, turkey bacon not nice, mama. No, not nice. It's salty. That's really nice. It's a regular bacon. Got your door done right now. Talk to Nisha. Both battery might have dead after even phone. Hey guys, so battery died. Both of them that I brought with me died at BJ's. We're finished with BJ's. You see the back full up. We can't even see through the mirror. And it's snowing. We came out of BJ's. When we come, can carry the snow come. It is snowing outside, guys. We had to pack the vehicle in snow. It's crazy. Anyhow, we're on time. We never get to go at the Caribbean store or Stop and Shop yet. But I'm here to get the kids. We're on time. We have to let off all these things and then come back on the road. This mom said she wants to stay on the road and be in the snow. So
Yeah. Each times I come to bring the snow.
you bring the snow, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's not crazy. It's snow when it's snowing, you should be inside. Like we're not in the up and down, but I have to. I have no choice. So, anywho, I just came back to let you know, guys, know that the camera dead. Be there to whip on the them. It's snowing. When I go home, I'll get more new battery and new battery, new battery, and I'll come back to you. So yeah. Hey guys, okay, so many hours later, we grabbed the kids, got home. The intention was to go back on the road to the Caribbean store and to Stop and Shop, but that did not happen. So I came home. I didn't pack out everything of the grocery that we got from BJ's, because I'm like, just gonna put the refrigerated stuff inside the refrigerator and just go on the road, hoping that teacher was gonna be here so we could just leave the kids. Mama insisted that she wanted to go back on the road with me. That didn't work out. The man was willing, but the body was saying, no, we're not doing this. I was so tired, so we made some food. We sat down, and I'm just now getting up to say, like, you know what, I need to go pack out these stuff because I have work to go tomorrow. So I'm thinking, yeah, okay, I am thinking that maybe tomorrow when I'm leaving work, I'll stop by the grocery store because I need like meat kind. I didn't get a lot of meat at BJ's, and I'm sorry, I had backup batteries, but the battery itself was also needed to be charged. So both batteries, they died on me. So I apologize for that because it was supposed to be a longer vlog, but I apologize. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that we actually bought. Most of the stuff are already in the refrigerators, so everything else that's out would be like just like snacks and stuff like that, because I kind of pack away like even the like the bread and stuff like that. So I'll show you what I can. I'm gonna pack out some stuff right now because if I don't know, it's not gonna happen again. I still haven't done laundry yet. I need to do that. I'm so tired, and I need to go cook. I don't know if I need to go cook because Troy's out in the snow. It's still snowing. Troy's out in the snow. I know when they come home, we're gonna need something to eat. We're gonna have to get something to eat. So, anywho, I think I'm gonna do some shrimp. No, I don't want to do shrimp fries. I don't know. I think I have some rice that I had cooked the other day, and I don't want to waste it. So I said I think I want to do that. Oh, I was telling you, still need meat kinds. I need fish fillet. I forgot to get that. I need some more chicken. I got chicken breast, but I didn't get. Like, I need some drumsticks and some thighs or wings. I need to get heavy cream. I didn't get that. I need to get like bread. I got like hot dog buns and burger buns, but I did not get the regular bread. I need to get milk. I need to get some more fruits. I need to get the chicken burger thingy. There are so many things I still need to get. Mommy's here, TJ's here, it's Christmas. We gotta make sure that the house is filled with food and overfull and stuff like that. So yeah, so let me go show you some of the stuff that we have. Alright, so guys, we have all this I need to go sort out. A whole bunch of stuff I need to go sort out right now. Some stuff are actually already up, so see, I have a lot of empty space, so we need to fill these out. A lot of stuff, as I said before, was already put away. Meat kinds, anything that had to go into the fridge. Juices. I didn't buy any cheese because I had a bunch of cheese. Let me see if I can show in there. You have the water that's out here in the garage. Hold on. Water out here in the garage. And you have more juice and ginger ale. Yeah, the garage is a mess. The garage is a mess. I know. I don't buy meat can yet, and the freezer is full in the garage. This is just the garage, right? Freezer is full inside the garage, and we don't buy meat yet. So I don't even know how that's gonna work out. Down here, I have a whole bunch of stuff too. Yeah, that fridge is gonna be cleaned up by Troy and sort of, again, we're just pushing the stuff down. We got the coconut water that's already in the lounge area in the basement. And I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna get a drift, right? We're gonna clean up this right now. Anywho, unfortunately, I'm not gonna go through everything with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Again, I apologize that it was not as full as I promised, but things happen and we couldn't help it, okay? We couldn't help it, but we make it up. I've whatever things are going. This is Vlogmas episode 4. Vlogmas episode 4. Okay? Okay. Alright. But again, I apologize. But anywho, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. Until later, guys. Bye.
At Christmas,